So on the next stop of this Triple D New Orleans tour, here we are in the city of Harahan. Now, it's about 20 minutes from downtown New Orleans and about 10 minutes away from the River Shack Tavern that we shot just years ago. Now, when you drive by this place, first thing you're gonna say is, oh yeah, a shrimp and po' boy joint. Oh, don't judge a book by a cover for sure on this one, because they've got chapters of culinary good that you just gotta read about. This is Seither's Seafood.
I got a peepaw salad.
It's where people that are from New Orleans go eat.
One boiled seafood platter.
All your favorite New Orleans style dishes done in Jason's way.
That's Jason Seither,
Make it snow.
who grew up in the Bayou, boiling crawfish with his dad and cooking in the kitchen with his mom.
I'm respecting the old school ingredients, but I'm just incorporating my own style into it.
Here's the volcano.
A volcano is actually something that I get almost every time we come.
It's a lot of familiar things presented in a way you never saw.
The volcano is basically like an upside-down Asian taco salad, if you can imagine.
Oh,
that.
you hear about those every day.
First, we're gonna make the blackening seasoning. I got some paprika right here,
Some paprika.
black pepper, sea salt, parsley flakes, granulated onion, granulated garlic, and then the Italian seasoning.
Okay. So now we have the fresh ahi.
Right? This is local.
So if you can't get it fresh, you just won't be serving it.
That's exactly right.
The best attitude. We'll sear this off next up.
Spicy mayo, I call it dragon sauce, just
Okay.
to have a cool name. All it is mayo.
And sriracha.
I like to add a little bit of water to it because when I put it in the squeeze bottles, I could like draw with it.
I don't speak
Draw with
Cajun.
it.
That's how you say draw with it in Cajun?
Draw with it.
Next.
The crab salad.
Okay.
I'm taking this shredded connie that they use in sushi
Kanikama,
rolls.
Right, so this is pollock.
Take some of this
Ooh,
sauce.
The Cajun measuring system.
Right. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to make this volcano.
I'm
All right.
on the edge of my seat.
Here we go.
Gorgeous.
Lay the tuna around here. Avocados, lettuce right in the middle. Put the shrimp on there. Spicy mayo that we made. Eel sauce. Sriracha.
Dizzy.
Take the taco shell, turn it upside down. Put some of the snow crab salad on top of spicy mayo. Eel sauce. A little bit more sriracha. And then I finish it off with sesame seeds. So that right there is the volcano. And it
See, it
erupted.
just erupted. Interesting. Do you jump on it? Do you hit it with an elbow?
I mean, you just gotta go at it.
I was able to build a bite there, folks.
Right, so you got like a little nacho right there.
I don't care what you do with it. When you serve tuna that fresh, I mean, that's legit. That's really legit. I'm not a huge sauce guy, but I think this is a showstopper. I mean, people see this come out, they're gonna go, wow.
It's like an awesome little salad, and it looks cool too.
Can I go?
Go for it, dude. All right, walking in the door, I got a volcano.
Jason's just sort of pushed the creative envelope.
Delicious, and you can feel like you're eating something special.